gut and the brain are directly connected, bidirectionally connected. So when you're stressed, the gut is going to go for a toss and vice versa. So if you want to manage your stress better, you make sure your gut is in optimum health. You know how when we are really stressed, whether it's before an exam or before a big event, you run to the bathroom? It's stress, but why is your gut affected? This is exactly why. We're like friends who are chatting with each other. So make sure that your gut works well, which means you include good probiotics, you include prebiotics. Prebiotics would be your vegetables and your fruits. Also make sure there's a diversity of vegetables and fruits, so you're growing all the gut microbiome and not just proliferating one kind of microbiome. All the good microbiome is proliferating through, literally like the Amazon forest, you're having the rainbow. So prebiotics and probiotics. Then make sure you have food that is not inflammatory. So which means you eliminate sugar and processed food from your diet, so the intestinal wall is nice and intact and doesn't give you inflammation. And you include good fat in your diet, because that will also aid your intestinal health. So that's what you need to do to make sure your gut is okay, which indirectly then will take care of your stress levels and help you manage that better. Also make sure you're sleeping well. If you sleep well, rest assured you will wake up in a state of rest and digest, which is what we want with parasympathetic overactivity, as opposed to your sympathetic nervous system overdrive. So you make sure you're getting your good rested sleep. And if you can't because you're anxious, then you include supplements like magnesium and melatonin. Also, make sure that you exercise. Exercise will release natural endorphins, will make you feel good, apart from, give you that extra loss of weight and help you burn calories, will also help you sleep better. Just don't do it too close to bedtime. So you make sure you're sleeping well. Also, meditation really helps. Meditation helps, especially if you're just breathing in a way where your exhalation is longer than your inhalation. This naturally activates your vagus nervous system, which is your parasympathetic rest and digest. So anytime you're feeling anxious, just sit down in a place, it could be for 3 minutes, and just do a vagal breathing, and you can Google this, where your exhalation is longer than your inhalation, or you can do a box breathing, whether it is 2 counts in, 2 counts hold, 2 counts out, and you're holding the count out, whether you're doing it as 2 counts, 4 counts, whatever you're comfortable with. You can do the box breathing or vagal breathing, and immediately in a couple of minutes you're going to activate your rest and digest state. Also, give up things like caffeine and even green tea, actually, which still has caffeine. Chocolate also has caffeine, which is going to make you jittery. So you opt for things like chamomile tea, which will calm you down and also help you sleep better. So you can use food and you can use lifestyle ways to help with and deal with stress.